Hey guys, as like I said a minute ago, I said that I didn't do an unboxing of and review and demonstration of the 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver Universal Remote Control. So let's just jump straight in. This video is done because Tom Hoyle asked me, so little shout out to Tinfoil. Tinfoils, I know two people that call them that. Anyway, okay, here it is. The box you're getting is a nice white box. Also, sorry about the camera quality, it's not brilliant. Either way, yeah, a nice size box. It's sleek. It shows the sonic screwdriver with extended nib front. Then you get some like instructions on what it can do, different modes, gestures, and all that. Back, you've got some of the gestures you can use. Side to Doctor Who. Other side says that it's 10th Doctor's sonic screwdriver universal remote control. Jump in. I've opened this already and used it, so some of it will look a little messy, but ignore it. Difficult. Okay, there we go. So it comes in one of them in the box with this box. So the first box you get on the front of it is, you see the sonic screwdriver embossed into it with like things. On the back you've got the Wand Company's logo. So it's just a simple click open box like that. As I said, it looks a bit messy. So first open, you see the sonic screwdriver and the charger. The charger is a simple USB which connects into the bottom of there, which I'll show later. It looks like a PlayStation, like one of the old ones, PlayStation things. Okay, so that can go to the side. Failed. I'll jump into that in a second. I want to show you the rest. The box is like this. This is foam, padded. Like that. So there's two sides. This side, you take it off, is the stand. Metal. Like a thing so it doesn't slip around, which has a magnet in it. So it stands like that. I think that's really cool. Anyway, put that down. The other side comes with the instruction manual, which it looks really cool. Because it is blueprint of it. See? So how big it comes to that. Gives you all the different things. I'll just do that, and if you want to read them, you'll pause it. It would be better if it was the right way as well. That's that side, and the other side is just more detailed and easier way to know how to use it. Alright, so that can go to the side as well. I'll show you now. Okay, as for this, once you charge it up, which the charging thing's at the bottom here, you click that off to make sure the thing is up like that, and there's a little thing. That's the charging thing. That's for the sonic screwdriver itself. Hold this button there. Powers on like that. As you heard there, it says practice mode. What this does is you can learn how to do the move. So right, I can't show you all of them because it's difficult to do with one hand, but her fingers. And I've set it up. I might tell you already. So you ready? Turn tally off. Turn tally on. Change channel. Channel 3. Back down to channel 2. My favourite thing we can do is channel 4 here. That's channel 3. Alright. My favourite thing is turn channel TV up.
Charged in connection with assassinating former Prime Minister Rafi Hariri in 2005. Lebanon sectarian tensions continue to escalate at dangerous speed. Neil Connery, ITV News.
Police in America have...
And that's that. They do 4 modes. There's practice mode, control mode, quiet control mode, FX mode, which is simply which is louder once you see?
Quiet control mode. Memory bank A. FX mode.
That's louder than that. You turn it off by holding it. See? You have to do 3 taps to make it 3 taps to make it program mode, which you just hold in front of your red infrared remote control. Press the button you want for it to assign. It should say OK. Then you do a gesture, like for instance, if I want to do telly on and do it so it's a double press, I'd go into program mode, go into memory bank A if I want to program it to memory bank A. Face the blue end of the universal remote control into the infrared sensor on the normal control. Press the power button on the normal control and flick up or press the double press button to make it so that gesture synchronizes with that button. And then it sounds more complicated than it really is. It's just a simple matter of pressing a button and doing a gesture all at the same time. So that doesn't really matter. I will be getting the 11th Doctor's one eventually. So yeah, if you haven't already checked out my other video, please do. It introduces a lot of new things I plan on doing, getting, and yeah, other things I have as well. So please go and check that. I may or may not put a link to that in the comments in the description bit, or I might put a little annotation on Matt Smith's face there. Please look out for that. Yep, that is that is literally it, guys. So thanks for watching. Leave it a comment leave in the comment section below if you want to if you see anything else you like in the video that you want to see me unbox further. Or yeah. Alright guys, thanks, bye. Did it this time. Sorry guys. Oh my god.